Hello, it's Moz and welcome to my review of the TECEVO T3 LUMO portable Bluetooth speaker. Let's get straight into it. What you'll notice is that there is a tiny bit of weight to it, but it's not that heavy at all. You don't want it too light and flying away from your sandwiches at the picnic. I really like the gated grille design, which has similarities to the Jawbone series. Now, I'm more of a button guy when it comes to controls, so I'm not the biggest fan of the touch panel controls. They do work pretty well for the most part, but I did find myself skipping tracks when all I wanted to do was alter the volume. So there is a bit of a fine line there. The T3 LUMO has this perfume function that seems to be kicking about lately, but I can only really smell it if I put my schnoz right up close to the device. I did find that after a week or so that the scent has almost completely disappeared. I do get the feeling that the white rubber casing surrounding the T3 LUMO will actually fade to a faint yellow in time. It's just a bit too big to fit in your jeans pocket, but if you're in slob mode wearing your joggers, it shouldn't be too much of a problem. The build quality is solid, it's a stylish accessory for your smartphone. I can see the positives in the SD card slot being there. What I would like to see is a battery level indicator. Audio emanates from both the front and back panels of the device, but the sound is not 360, but it's nice that it gives you those two options. And I must say that the indicator light is very faint. Now, in my testing, I did experience some lack of connectivity while being away from my phone. It tended to cut out every time I got to the bottom of my stairs, and then it readjusted itself and the connection was pretty much perfect. When it came to connecting the T3 LUMO, it was pretty much a bog standard experience and very quick. But I can't actually make out what the mysterious voice from the LUMO is trying to tell me half of the time.
Bluetooth mode has been on.
The battery life is very impressive, easily lasting over the 5 hours which is advertised. Let's get into some audio examples from the T3 LUMO. See what you think. The T3 can go incredibly loud for such a small device, and the bass at full volume actually rocks the LUMO and the audio begins to distort at that point. Now, occasionally I can hear a little blip in the audio, and what I mean by that is that you can hear a tiny bit of white noise for literally a millisecond. Hopefully I'm not imagining that, but I really don't think that I am. But don't get me wrong, I actually really love the audio that the T3 LUMO brings. It's loud, it has a great dynamic range, sounds fantastic in all genres, and it's crystal clear. And I also think it looks pretty stylish too. But what do you guys think of the T3 LUMO? Be sure to let me know in the comments below. I'll put a link in the description if you are interested. Thank you very much for watching this review. Please do give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you in the next one.